What's up, beautiful people? Guess what we're doing today? You guys are gonna follow me in a day in my life here at Henna Sooq. All the things that I got going on, what I'm doing, the new space, the new website, all the new packaging, the whole redesign, like everything I gotta scurry throughout the day, all the fun things that I'm doing to open up these doors. Like, I really want you guys to see what the space is looking like. It's absolutely gorgeous. So come on, come with me today. Spend a day with me and see what's going on behind the scenes. I've been working every single day to build up this brand new website. It's coming along slowly but surely. We got our shop right here. We got all our categories all organized. And I want to show you guys the hair regimen guide that I've been working on every single day. These are now going to be included. I'm so excited. Included with the product bundle all in one. So all you have to do is like choose. Say you're like, okay, I want to do, I need to get that drip. Let's get the drip. And it's going to be all about the dry hair antidote and dry hair to moisturize curls. You can choose one of these regimens. This is a really good one to start out with, the Ayurvedic hair strength and growth. And just editing to get this all together. Isn't she so cute? Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Look at her face. So when you add this to the bag and you start your regimen, you get all the products included and the whole full access to the 6-week Ayurvedic hair regimen as well. It's all in one. Everything's listed here, what's included, all your ingredients, week by week, what you'll do. You guys are gonna love it. New features are going to be all about the shop, the new, the replenish and save. There'll be a hair quiz, really adorable how-to page with all the basic details that you need to get started, even booking one-on-ones, and also taking, like I said, the hair quiz, get to know your hair your way. The website is coming along so nice. Don't you guys love it? And now you can see the brand new packaging that we're having printed and designed for Henna Sooq. And I'm looking through all the quality control to make sure that they're coming out really good and that they're doing the work on time. And I'm so happy. They're going to be absolutely gorgeous. And in between all this, I even got to make a batch of our handmade shampoo bars and get those ready. All right, let's walk up to the new space. Oh, I'm so excited. I just love these front windows. Like, the products are just gonna sit there in the shelving, and this is gonna be the whole front area that you guys are gonna see when you walk in. There's the starting of my office where I'm gonna create great content. Down the hallway here, we got more. We have so much space. And during all this time, my son got married. So exciting, because it has been a really crazy summer so far. I'm so happy for them. You ready?
Hey, you lucky you're who other way, man?
All right, take a picture. Hennasooq. And they are printing the new bottles for our essential oils, and they are absolutely so cute. So I'm just checking on the quality, seeing how they look. The prints look great. Oh, we can't wait to get them. All right, this is the design proposal for inside of the space. So she said it should look kind of like this, and then, the floors and the ceiling like that. And then the retail wall. So this is really cool. I like this idea as well. And some, I guess, products on top. This is what the floor looks like now. Well, you saw it. And then she said some of these tables. And then she said for the reception wall, have some lights, 3 lights there somewhere. This is the wall. She wants to put a sign and have that. And she saw the front window kind of like this concept. The front window space. And then she said the salon, which I love. This looks so much. I like that. The colors, nice, gorgeous. Want to get your hair did? And we got your hair your way, shop your hair type. We got all sorts of people. So see, it's so diverse and it's showing everyone. It's one of my clients that she needs to fix this photo so it's a little bit bigger. But you can shop the look, like stuff that she uses is going to be here in this area. And this is supposed to be a video, but it's like blank right now. And then boom. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. And don't forget, to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, because I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of behind the scenes, how things get developed. Maybe some of you out there will be inspired by what I'm doing and have an idea that you have in mind that you want to do. I am willing to share all the behind the scenes with you so that I can inspire you and so that I can see you one day. I want to see you in person. So remember, if you're in the Columbia, Maryland area, or if you're nearby, we're near the airport, we're right off the highway. You can take a moment to come and see us. We would love to see you as soon as our doors are open. And I will see you next time. Bye.